If your DVR is showing HDD Not Detected or hard drive error, don't panic. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you the real fix that actually works. First, power off your DVR completely. Never open it while it's running. Now, check the SATA cable. Disconnect it and reconnect it properly. A loose cable is the most common reason. Next, go into DVR menu and select Initialize HDD or Format option. This resets the drive for recording.
Always use a surveillance-grade hard drive like WD Purple or Seagate SkyHawk in your DVR system. These drives are specially designed for 24/7 continuous recording, meaning they can handle constant writing and overwriting without getting damaged easily. Normal PC hard drives are built for everyday computer use, like documents, browsing, and light storage. When you use them in a DVR, they are under non-stop pressure, which can cause overheating, recording errors or skipping footage, faster wear and early failure, HDD not detected, or system instability. Surveillance HDDs like WD Purple or SkyHawk are different because they offer optimized for 24/7 CCTV recording, better durability under continuous load, stable performance with multiple camera streams, reduced risk of data loss. That's why professionals always recommend using surveillance HDDs for DVR systems to ensure reliable recording and long-term safety of your footage.
If the issue still remains, your hard drive is likely damaged and needs replacement. Problem solved.